Okay, so this is my 44-tonner Bachmann Spectrum with a Loksound Select Micro, and I bought the Sugar Cube speakers. So I'm going to be installing, I got the baffles all built and the speaker installed. I'm going to be installing two of them. I removed the incandescent lights and installed LEDs. Now, the incandescents were encased in these metal tubes to focus the lights, so I'm trying my best to do it the same way with the shrink tubing. So I got the lights all installed. These are LEDs I bought off of eBay. They're pre-wired, 3mm warm white with a resistor. So now I got to trim up the wires and plug it back into the PC board. Then I'm going to trim the Loksound Select Micro wires off. I don't need the 8-pin plug. I'm going to solder it to the board and then install the speakers. Now the speakers, there's not a lot of room, so I'm hoping I could just use two-sided tape and attach it just above these wire connectors and hold the speaker there. That's my hope anyway. So I'm gonna continue on. Alright, so we're all hooked up. Loksound Select Micro, 2 Sugar Cube speakers, LEDs. Gave it a quick test, worked. Hopefully the LEDs will shine properly through the light. I'll test that before I show it. And yeah, I'll do a final go of it here in a moment. So after further testing, I am not pleased with the lighting effect. It barely illuminates the lens. So I have some surface mount LEDs. They're very, very small, and I will be gluing them to the inside of the lens, and I'm pointing them outward and wiring them up, so we'll have a direct light coming out of the lens. So just like everything, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So I'll dismantle the LEDs and come up with another way. Well, I've come up with the other way to light it, so onward and upward. Alright, so here's my little Bachmann Spectrum 44-tonner, number 3. So I've equipped this with the Loksound, ISU Loksound Select Micro with 2 Sugar Cube speakers. There's a speaker here and a speaker here, and the decoder's in the middle. Yeah, this one turned out very well as well. Alright, so back at it here. So, as I said, 2 speakers, decoder, very pleased with the outcome. I am going to get this operational here. Let's go. We'll start her up. Very pleased with that. I wish the motor wasn't so noisy and the gears and whatnot. I'll keep greasing it up and whatnot, but we'll hopefully it'll run its way out once I use it more. But it is just a switcher, so it won't be going very fast. But very happy with that. I have another one that was custom painted, but it had the two motors, just above the trucks. And I decided to just go with just a DCC decoder instead of a sound. But I was pleased with the way that one worked out. But this one, I really wanted the sound, so yeah, I'm very happy.